This Solana meme coin is taking over the meme coin space. Will this be the next 100x gem? Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel, guys. I'm your host, Umar Khan. Today, we're taking a look at a Solana gem called Popcat on Sol. That's up nearly 7% on the day. In terms of the month, up a whopping 76%. This token is taken over, and we are going to do a deep dive on this project to go ahead and take a look at what the heck is going on with Popcat on Sol. Solana tokens have kind of taken the back seat this past couple of weeks, but looks like a reversal is among the way. We're taking a look at the overall crypto market, guys. We're up 1.8% on the day. In terms of the fear and greed index, we're up a whopping 41%. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on with Popcat on Sol and why it's taken over the market. We'll go over the top meme coins, guys, and Popcat on Sol is currently sitting in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Currently sitting at 13th spot. But the thing that kind of makes this coin highlight the most is up 7% in the past 24 hour, which is currently outperforming all the meme coins above it. In terms of the red for the week, it's currently outperforming most meme coins as well in the red, except for a select few. Now, we're taking a look at this Popcat Sol token because 1, it's trending today, 2, the volume's up today, and 3, a Solana token taking over. It's interesting to say the least, especially that the Solana tokens have taken a back seat. So we see Popcat has surged in the momentum, prepare for another upwards journey. If Bitcoin remains bullish, this meme coin can cross our next target of 70 cents. Brett, Bonk, and Mong will assist in its leading way. The last rally resulted in a 24x gains. Are we going to see another 24x on Popcat Sol? Now, before we can even do a deep dive, what is Popcat Sol? Let's take an even deeper dive on the actual project itself. Over on Telegram, it has 11,000 subscribers, and it's cool you'd verify to join. So they have some bot protection there, which is bullish. Over on X, they have a whopping 33,000 holders. And we're taking a look at the website. Looks like now available to buy on BitBuy. So Popcat, I guess it's a game. So every time I tap, I think we've seen this with Cat with Hat as well. Total pops, that's insane. I guess this is for Canada or the world. I'm not too sure. Okay, so BitBuy, contract address. No information on the actual project. No roadmap. Nothing. Okay, about Popcat. Okay, we click that about tab. Okay, so this is the next website. Popcat is an internet meme originated in October 2020. In this series of videos, which shows 2 images of a domestic short-haired cat named Oatmeal, where one image has its mouth closed and the other has its mouth open, with the second image being edited to give its mouth an O shape. That's where it gets its name, Popcat. Tokenomics: 0 tax, liquidity pool burnt, immutable, 100x community owned, contract address. Looks like they have a meme gallery with different memes of this Popcat. Cool. And then a legal disclaimer, and that's pretty much it for the website. And then they have their social media links. Over on X, guys, there's a bit more news. Like we can see July 20th, a couple weeks back, Popcat will be listed on BitBuy Spot. Sign up with share over $30,000 in exclusive rewards. We see 2021 were dogs, 2024 is gonna be cats, and then the balance Popcat is here. And just posting more memes. Billions of pops on my screen. Happy weekend all day, and people are just popping away on the screen, and they're just posting memes. At the core of this, guys, it is a meme coin project, and we know this, guys, time and time again is proof that these meme coin projects go on to do some successful things. And again, men lie, women lie, but numbers don't. Up 8% a day, that means something's there. If a bullish rally continues, this will go on and do another 24x. So if you don't want to miss out on these massive gains, guys, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below, as we're covering these projects right on the nail on the hammer. We see it's trending, we see the upward could happen, there's a potential to hit 70 cents, so you may want to consider loading up a bag, but again, not financial advice. Talking about loading up a bag, guys, I want to close the video by talking about this Presale gem that's going absolutely ballistic. This project has raised nearly $3.5 million in a span of a couple weeks. What is it? Pepe now has its own blockchain. It's called Pepe Unchained Layer 2. Congratulations, you're early to the party. Buy now and stake there in Presale to max out your rewards before the price skyrockets. Its current AP is 547%. So Pepe Unchained, better speeds, better gains, same delicious Pepe flavor. Instant bridging between ETH and Pepe chain, low transaction fees, high volume capacity, 100x faster than ETH, and dedicated block explorer. This project is going insane, guys. People are loving it up and loading it up. Again, $3.5 million is no small amount raised in a handful of weeks. You can buy with ETH, USDT, card, BNB, everything above. This project is going to go absolutely ballistic. I just want to take a second to feature this project as we covered on the channel before, and you guys have been loving this project. That's the video, guys. However, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. Until next time, it's friend Umar. Peace.